Hey everyone, I'm Otto Miranda and this is Twing Talks. Here, we break down blockchain and AI in a simple and straight to the point way. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on your favorite podcast app. Let's get into today's hot topic. So, the US government just announced that it's going to sell a big chunk of Bitcoins. Naturally, this news has the crypto market buzzing. But why is this happening? And what does it mean for Bitcoin investors? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll explain it all in plain English. First things first, for anyone new to the crypto game, let's quickly recap what Bitcoin is. Basically, Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates independently of central banks. Each Bitcoin is recorded in a system called the blockchain, which is like a digital ledger that keeps track of every transaction. Pretty cool, right? Now back to the main story. Why does the US government even have so many Bitcoins in the first place? Well, they've accumulated these coins through police operations and asset seizures. One of the most famous cases was the Silk Road, an illegal marketplace on the dark web that the FBI shut down back in 2013. Since then, other seizures, like from fraud schemes and ransomware attacks, have added to the government's stash, making it one of the largest Bitcoin holders in the world. So, why are they selling now? There are a few reasons. First, when the government seizes illegal assets, like Bitcoins used for crimes, they usually sell them to recover funds or avoid holding on to something that doesn't really fit into the traditional financial system. Second, court rulings often play a role. Sometimes a judge orders these assets to be sold, especially in cases involving disputes over ownership or liquidations of confiscated goods. And finally, there's a bit of speculation that this could be part of a market strategy. Some analysts think the government might be trying to influence prices or just clear out their crypto inventory. So, how does this affect the market? Let's break it down. First off, dumping a large amount of Bitcoins on the market can create volatility. If there's more supply than demand, prices might drop. Second, news like this often creates what's called FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt among investors. That can lead to panic selling, which only adds to the chaos. But on the flip side, these sales can also present buying opportunities. Savvy investors often see these moments as a chance to grab Bitcoins at lower prices, especially if they're thinking long-term. Now, for those of you investing in Bitcoin, here are a few quick tips. First, stay informed. Keep an eye on the market and pay attention to what's happening. Knowledge is power. Second, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps reduce risk, especially in times of market swings. And finally, keep a long-term perspective. Bitcoin has been through plenty of ups and downs, and historically, it tends to bounce back. So if you believe in the crypto's potential, this might just be another bump in the road. At the end of the day, the US government's Bitcoin sale is a reminder of how regulations and the crypto world are becoming more intertwined. While it might shake things up in the short term, the long-term impact will depend on how the market reacts and the broader economic context. So, what do you think about this move by the US government? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow our podcast so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.